Hi, everyone, and welcome back. Eric Bonnet here, author of techformusiced.com blog and certified level 2 Google Educator. Today, I want to show you how to create voice comments using a new Google Chrome extension called Mote. I recently discovered this Google Chrome extension, and I know it's going to save me so much time giving feedback to students. Being that we're all doing virtual learning, we're having to give feedback specifically through Google Classroom, on Google Docs, and Google Assignments. I recently discovered this great Google Chrome extension that will save you so much time and enable you to give actually voice comments instead of having to actually type out every single comment for every single student. So let's get started and let me show you how to do this. So here we are in the Google Chrome Web Store, and I'm going to search for the extension Mote. So M-O-T-E, click enter, and here it is. It's the first one that comes up. It's called Mote Voice Commenting for Google Docs. Right here, it normally would say add to Chrome, but I've already done it, so it has this little added over here. Once you add it to Chrome, it will simply add a little purple circle up here with an M for Mote, and that's all you need to do to add the Google Chrome extension. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go into your Google Classroom and either create a new assignment or go to an assignment you've already created. So here I have a test assignment I created, a test recording assignment, to show you that this can be used to comment on assignments students submitted with voice recordings or playing assignments or really any assignment that the students have posted and attached something. So I'm going to click on the test recording assignment. As you can see, I have one turned in, so I'm going to click on that. So my assignment has opened up in a new window, and I have three different formats of assignments to show you three kind of different things that you could do. So I have it as a voice recording, a recording assignment, I have a video, and I also have a Google Doc. So once you've installed the Mote Google Chrome extension, if you go down here to click on Add Private Comment, this is where you would normally want to type your comments to your students. But you can see right inside, there's actually a little M. Now, the first time that you're doing this, you're going to want to enable and allow the microphone so that you can record your voice to give them that voice recording feedback. I noticed that after I enabled it and allowed it, I went back and it still said I needed to enable it through Google Chrome and the settings. What I simply did is actually went up here and refreshed my web page, and then everything was fine, and I was able to add that voice comment right away. So I didn't have to go into the settings, which was great. So I'm going to now show you exactly, super easy, how to do it. So you're going to go over and click on this M. Once you click on the M, it will start recording, and there is a 60-second max recording. If you need longer than 60 seconds, you can simply add a second comment, doing it the same exact way. So let's record a quick little comment and show you how to do it. So I'm going to click on the M. Then I'm simply going to say, I really enjoyed your recording assignment. Thank you for turning it in. I think you did a really great job. There was lots of different dynamics, and you had a really great full sound, and I could tell through your sound that you were making and forming the correct embouchure. And simply now all I'm going to do is click done. So it's thinking, and then I'm going to click post. Once it's posted, it's actually going to make a transcript for you. So let's show the whole thing. So it's actually going to physically turn your voice recording into a transcript for you, which is really awesome. So it says, then I'm simply going to say, I really enjoy your recording assignment. Thank you for turning it in. I think you did a great job. There was lots of different dynamics, and you had a really great sound. And I could tell through yourself that you're making and forming the correct embouchure. And simply now all I'm going to do is click. So you can click the play so you can hear it. Then I'm simply going to say, I really enjoyed your recording assignment. Thank you for turning it in. I think you did a really great job. There was lots of different dynamics, and you had a really great full sound, and I could tell through your sound that you are making and forming the correct embouchure. And simply now all I'm going to do is click done. So as you can see, the transcription is not perfect. There's a few things that are different than what I recorded. So you can simply click edit and actually go in and edit the text. So I said, those are really great full sound. And I could tell through your sound is what I said, that you are making and forming the correct embouchure. And simply now I do is click. So I click update, and it'll simply update the text for you. So that's one way of giving feedback to the students. If you're doing it in a Google Doc, so for example, I just put test assignment. If you know Google Docs a little bit, if you highlight it, there's going to be a little plus sign and it says add a comment. So if you click on add a comment and scroll over, this is where, again, you would normally type your text comment to the student. But now, again, that little M popped up again. So you actually can make a comment directly in the Google Doc for the students. So click it. This is a comment for your Google Doc assignment. It was turned in and it was done well. It's thinking, comments, making a transcript, and says this is a common, and there it is. Click it. Okay, so one thing to note is that I'm actually going to show you what it looks like from a student side, because I have myself as a student in this class. So let's go to my student assignment. So here I am as a student. So it says I have one private comment. So as you can see, it didn't show up here because as a student, I don't have it enabled the Mote extension on my student account. So you want to have the students install that Chrome extension as well. But what's really great is if you actually click on this link, it will open up in a new window and it says Eric Bont left you a voice note for you in Google Docs. So here's the actual audio recording. Then I'm simply going to say, I really enjoyed your recording us. And the text is right here, and it gives you a link to available on the Chrome store, so the students can install it right there, and they're not going to be brought to another website. But if for some reason they're not, and they haven't installed the Chrome extension from the web store, they can still see it right here. As you saw, it will link it right here, which is really great. So they're not unable to view it. They are, but it's just going to open up here. I hope this was a helpful tip and something that will make your lives a little bit easier. I know as an educator who teaches over 150 students and is constantly giving feedback, that this is going to really save me so much time in being able to record actual voice comments instead of typing everything out by hand. So if you have any questions, then please feel free to reach out to me. techformusiced@gmail.com is my email. You can comment below. You can also check out my YouTube channel, techformusiced.com as well. So stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for tuning in.